Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alex is here with Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I got one of my favorite subscriptions, and that is my Scentbox, my perfume subscription. And if you're interested in seeing which scent I chose this month, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are having a good week or weekend. And so today I have my Scentbox, and I have to tell you guys, this is one of my favorite subscriptions. I really look forward to getting these because I choose the fragrances based on reviews usually on the site, and I get to try new things. And the good thing about this company though is that unlike any other companies, if you don't like the fragrance, you can send one back per month. And so I get a 2-packer and I pay, let's see, $27.94 I think, or something like that, and it's up with the taxes and everything. It's $32.95 is what I pay for monthly for 2 perfumes, which is well worth it. And they're also highly rated, or it could be new, and but they do have well-known names. And I've been ordering well-known names, anywhere from Versace to Dolce & Gabbana. Let's see, what is it? Tom Ford. And so I've discovered a lot of nice new fragrances, which then I turn around and buy the larger size if I like it. And they give good, Scentbox gives good rewards. And so right now I have, I think, $74 in rewards. And so I'm saving it up because I want to get a nice bottle of perfume. And every time you have one shipped, they send you a reward and into your account, right? But today it's extra special because I chose fragrances that had no ratings, but based on what I like and what my preferences are. So we're gonna do that. But before we do that, you know what we gotta do. I almost forgot, to tell you the truth. I looked down, I'm like, oh shoot, the cards. Yeah, the affirmation. That's how much I love this subscription. Okay, guys. All right, let's pick a card. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. That's like really summery with, it's a lemon tree. Okay, so what does it say? She will not worry. She will be just fine. She will brave this new season one day at a time. Aw, it's by Morgan Harper Nichols. She will not worry. She will be just fine. She will brave this new season one day at a time. You know what? When I read this, I'll be honest with you, the first thing that came to my mind is my daughter. My daughter turned 26 years old this past June. And that's when she actually moved off my health insurance. And, all of these changes happened. And she lives in Washington State away from me. And I'm in California. And I haven't really seen her since the pandemic started. She just got vaccinated recently, actually, and I always worry about her. 26 years old, she's grown, and she has her own career and everything else, but still, you can't help but worry, being a mom, and she's an only child, as I was. And so when I read that, she will not worry, she will be just fine. She will brave this new season one day at a time, and I do truly believe that. And when I get nervous about things, and when she's sick, and the first thing she does is, she still calls me mommy, and she texts me and says, Mommy, I'm not feeling good, and this is my symptoms. And of course, me being a nurse on top of everything, she totally trusts me 110% to give her the, right recommendation, which is usually go to the doctor, right? But and this is something that I really have to remember for myself. So that way I'm not going crazy over here in California while my little girl is up in Washington. And so, this is good. I like it. What does this remind you of? I mean, she could be referring to you, right? To you. Like, you can turn this around easily. I will not worry. I will be just fine. I will brave this new season one day at a time, right? Or you can change, if you have a son, change it to he. Right? You can do a lot with these cards, but really think about these things. I really do. And it really puts a different light in my day when I read these. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And let me know your thoughts on it. And what did you think when you heard it? So, yeah. So, anyway, without further ado, sorry about that. I got really into it when I talk about my little girl. I'm going to go on and on and on. Anyway, so, Scentbox. Enough of the commercial break. Okay, so, like I said, I think I ordered both of them. It comes like that. And it has your invoice and new fragrance of the month. And they put it in they put two of them in here. And another thing too, different from let's say Scentbird, because I used to get them, is that they don't send you these containers each time. You get one like a year for free, and then the rest of the time you have to pay for it if you want it. And they just send you like this, and in a little like a cardboard tube. But this one actually comes like this, and they put the fragrance name on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Is it? Yeah, okay, there you go. And I'm going to have to get my magnifying glass in order for me to see it, though. Okay, this is called Oud Dream. Oud Dream. I don't know if you know, Oud, O-U-D, is a very super expensive tree, okay, wood. And in Saudi Arabia, I can tell you, because they're really huge there. And they sell them by grams. That's how much. And then they burn them around, like in around the house or whatever. But like a little broken, like a piece of wood will cost you $1,000. I mean, that's what the oud is. And I guess that's the fragrance with it. And then the other one is called Classique Intense. Classique Intense. I'm going to have to look at that. I think, let me get the information, because I don't remember I think this one, the Oud, is the Montel, if I remember right. Yep, it's by Montel Paris, Oud Dream, Oud Perfume. And there's that's the picture of it. And I kind of expanded it okay. And so let's see, what does it say about it? Okay, welcome. Okay, let's see. Not welcome to Scentbox. I already need to know that. Okay, the scent characteristics for this is woody, stylish, evening, and winter. That's what, people had rated. And there's 4 ratings, actually, and it has 4 and a teeny tiny bit more. And it's a wonderfully exotic, spicy, and honeyed fragrance. Gently sweet and slightly musky. Oud Dream is a sensual and bewitching fragrance. The rose, the oud, and a patchouli leaves envelope as in a dream. This new refined creation with a leathery salage made in France. This is actually made in France. And there's more here. I can go ahead and read the rest for you. And the top notes are bergamot, cardamom, coriander, black pepper, and sweet honey. And the middle notes are rose, oud, leaves of patchouli, and the base notes are cedarwood, rich leather, amber, and musk. Wow, that sounds really nice, right? Well, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and try this one because, is that it? Oud Dream, yeah. Okay, and I don't have any perfume on, knowing that I was going to do this. So, let's see. Oh, I got it on my watch instead. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of, be honest with you? I mean, it reminds me, very, very strong and patchouli in the beginning, but, oh, very sensual. Definitely an evening. This is warm, very warm. This is definitely a evening fragrance. And also, yeah, this is, yeah. I almost smell whiskey in it. Isn't that weird? Or bourbon or something. But maybe that's the, I don't know, the leather. Yeah, that's what it is the leather. Yeah, this is nice. This reminds me of Black Orchid perfume by Tom Ford. And I think that's similar, and I really love that one. So, yeah, I just ordered it for the anniversary sale from Nordstrom's. I'll share that with you when I get it. Yeah, definitely a keeper. I am keeping this, guys. And so that's nice. And then the next one is, let's see, where am I with this one? The next one, because I have to look it up because they don't send a paper, which I'm glad because they do this, being cognitive of the recycling, the stuff, like environment. Oh my God, I didn't have a word. Okay, yes. Classique Intense. It's by Jean-Paul Gaultier. And you guys probably have seen this before, but here's what the real bottle would look like. Okay, and it is a premium fragrance, and they have basic fragrances and premium fragrances, and I usually order the premium ones because I do like them a little better. And so let's see what it says about this one. It has 7 ratings only, and I think it's new to Scentbox because I didn't see it before because this is an old scent. So it has. In the summer of 2014, Jean-Paul Gaultier launched a new version of his signature and ultra-popular perfume Classique from 1993. Francis Kurkdjian is one of the renovating this perfume, not wanting to... Whoops, sorry about that. That's my prayer time. Sorry. That's my call to prayer. Okay, let me start over. Is one of the renovating this perfume, not wanting to lose its identity and powdery floral character, but rather wanting to give it a new twist and a modern, I gotta hit to read more, modern interpretation. Classique Intense thus consists of 2 separate units. 40% of the fragrance is the original creation and 60 are new added components. The new composition is described as vivacious, intensive, oriental, and solar, containing notes of tiare, pomegranate, and gourmand across the top, with a heart of orange blossoms, rose, and jasmine, and a base of patchouli and vanilla. Yummy. Sounds like it's good enough to eat. Oh, it's funny that I say that. They say if you like this perfume, you would like this. And this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid. So it must be kind of similar. Okay. And let's see what I can find as far as what does it say here. It is oriental, it's stylish, it's evening, and it's fall. Okay, that's what the fragrance is for. The other one was winter, and this one is fall. Okay. And let's see. Oh, this smells so good. I don't want to like spray over it, but I don't want to waste. You know what? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray it on here. My cotton. It's a little cotton round. And then guess what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to put it in my drawer somewhere. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, what is that? You guys, this is really good. Oh, shoot, I should have sprayed this on me. You know what? I don't get fall out of this. I get summer out of this. I don't know, maybe if it stays on your skin, it just turns to fall. I don't know. Those are based on people's comments, too, so maybe, you know, it smells like fall to them. But no, this is definitely evening. I agree with that. Oriental, I agree with that too. But it also has a very I don't know, very fancy floral. Not like the sweet floral, but the fancy floral that. Yeah, this is nice, you guys. This is good. I think I found my next bottle of perfume. I'm gonna have to try it, and then if it's as good as what it smells on here, I'll be ordering a full bottle. It's unique. This is what I like. And like as far as I do love this Oud one, but it smells very similar to one that I've already ordered, which is the Tom Ford, the gold. What is it? The gold black opium. Yeah. So they have a gold version and a black version, and it's slightly different, the scent. So yeah, very nice. Well, I'm gonna stick this somewhere in the drawers. Yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Winner, 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 chicken dinner. So both were winners. I'm so glad because I don't like sending them back, but I do. Believe me, I have sent them back. And so, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are interested in getting these perfumes, I'll drop a link below and you will get a free one of these of your choice, whatever you choose. And then that will also give me a free one, and I can also share that with you as well. So, yeah, win-win, right? And I know Stephanie, Opinionated Horsewoman, just ordered it, and that actually got me a free scent. So I will open that one when it comes and share with you, and that saves me a little bit of money. Thank you, Stephanie. So anyhow, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value today, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you do enjoy these type of contents, please do consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button with the bell and select all, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Oh, and before I go, just quick reminder, I do have a giveaway going, and the video that it's related to is a pretty magical video, and it's on Mass Monday, ladies, from this past Monday, okay? I'll drop the link below. So if you're interested, go ahead and view it and then enter. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It does not matter. But what matters is you don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.